What is up, my friends? Welcome Friday, May 15th, 2020. This is Crypto and Coffee, your morning jolt of financial news and markets. We talk about crypto, we talk about stocks, we talk about commodities, we talk about real estate, we talk about everything going on in the world today. It's a crazy world we live in. The video game is just getting wild out there. I hope you're doing well today. If you're watching this live, go ahead and type in live in the comments below. If you're watching on the replay, type it on the replay. Like and share and post your XRP address in the comments, and I'm going to pay someone some money. Crazy stuff out there. Earthquake. We had an earthquake here in Boise a couple days ago, a little over 4 on the Richter scale. But man, Nevada yesterday, over a 6.0. I think it was like a 6.3 magnitude earthquake in Nevada yesterday. Holy moly. That is crazy. You know, people, I mean, it was really close to the Nevada-California border. And did you ever see that movie? Gosh, it had The Rock in it about the earthquake. I think it was like Andreas, or I don't know, something about, man, it's a crazy time to be alive. You know, you've got natural, Mother Earth is waking up. People are waking up. The game is waking up. Yeah, Jason, dude, how close are you? Have you seen anything about that earthquake in Nevada? How close are you to that? Jesse, what's up, brother? Guys, thanks so much. Be sure to like and share this video. I'm definitely shadow banned on the Facebook and on the YouTube. So for every share we get, gonna send out $1 worth of crypto. Let's get this thing up to hundreds of shares a day. Let's hop into this news. But before we do, if you're new to crypto, if you want to learn more, go to my website, galactictrust.com. Since 2017, I've been helping people understand and invest in digital assets like Bitcoin. If you go to my website, tons of free information. You can click on this link, 1K to 1M. It's a free masterclass I did where I teach you why I think by 2025, so 5 years, you could turn every $1,000 that you put into digital assets into the equivalent of $1 million or more. I mean, I'm talking catapulting you into the 1% and possibly even a fraction of the 1%. So go check out that stuff. People are waking up. People are definitely waking up pretty far. Good, buddy. Good. See you out there riding motorcycles though, right? Good for you. You can also get a copy of my free book, Crypto Investor Secrets, How to Capitalize on the Greatest Investment Opportunity in History. Again, it's all free. Go grab the book. Just give me your name and email address. I'll send you over a copy of the book. Also going to give you access to a 4-part video series that I created. And also, you know what? You really want to, I'm gonna add these videos. I actually made a video series last year where I showed you step by step how to get into crypto, how to buy your cryptocurrency through an exchange like Coinbase, a step-by-step video tutorial that I made. I'm going to post that in the GCN Facebook group. So if you're not a member of that group yet, be sure to go and sign up because if you want to learn how to buy crypto. It's super easy compared to when I was buying it. June 2016, I literally met someone in a mall parking lot. I had $10,000 in cash and a gun, and I'm being serious. So it's changed a lot, and it will continue to change, and it's going to continue to change things. So let's hop back into these markets. Oh, and also if you have Bitcoin already, if you have some crypto sitting on a Coinbase account, a Robinhood account, any of these other exchange accounts, you really got to get up with the times. It's a fast moving space. Already you have what's called decentralized finance, where it's flipping the financial system around, where instead of the bank taking your money, paying you, maybe 1% for keeping your money at the bank, and then they're making 99% of the profit on the back end and keeping it. It's flipped, where now, 90% is paid out to the depositors, 1% is paid back to the creators of the technology. So right here, EOS coins, I'm averaging a 10% APR on my deposits. With the EOS token, 12.69% with the DICE token. So you're never going to get those type of returns anymore sitting in a bank. So your money is really not safe, because once there's a bank run, once there's a run on the dollar and everybody's going and panicking, instead of buying toilet paper, they're trying to get their cash out of their 401k. It's going to be too late. And that's when the pigs are headed to slaughter. So don't be a pig. Don't be a sheep. Wake up. And that's MTI. If you have Bitcoin, we're earning about 0.5% a day, Monday through Friday. So right now, set at 0.44% Monday through Friday. So if you had 10 grand in Bitcoin sitting in MTI, you're making about 44 bucks a day. It's about $2,000 a month on autopilot. Coin, looking at the market, Bitcoin down 2.6%, sitting at $9,438. Ethereum down 2.5%, sitting at $197. And XRP, oh snap, XRP got taken over by Tether. That doesn't even count. Tether's not even a real cryptocurrency. But anyways, XRP is down 2.1%, sitting at 19 cents. Total market cap's down 1.8%, sitting at 258 billion. Dominance is down 0.3% from yesterday. I'm still on the sidelines though. I'm waiting for this next wave. I'm seeing it. I've been calling it on this show for weeks, that there's going to be another wave of panic. It's going to be all over the news. It's getting crazy out there. In California now, they're shut down till August. You have to wear a mask everywhere. I've never worn a mask, never once. In Utah, never wore a mask. In Boise, definitely not wearing a mask. I mean, I'll take some pictures actually when I go on my walk today. We live right on the river. There's just a big water complex down the street. And I mean, today's Friday. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, it's like MTV's The Grind, People are freaking partying, no masks. I mean, they don't care. It's the Wild West out here. And I love it. I love it, actually. Bitcoin, looking at the charts. Fallen yesterday, just bouncing right off that about $9,200 level. Right now we're sitting at 94.90. Got rejected again. See, when it gets rejected, people stop buying. They start selling, because it's, again, the energy, the money. There's not enough money coming in to sustain upward movements. Real simple. Bitcoin bears say these 5 metrics will stop Bitcoin from reclaiming 10K. The price of Bitcoin risks a continued downtrend as 5 metrics indicate higher chances of a short-term long squeeze. Bitcoin sellers are pinning their hopes on continuing to see sub $10,000 prices in the aftermath of the halving, based on 5 key futures markets metrics. Open interest. Let's see where those. Oh, so 1, open interest on major Bitcoin futures exchange are stagnant. So again, not a lot of long interest. Number 2, imbalance of long and short contracts. I mean, this is, if you want to, I'm long. I'm always buying. I'm hoping this thing freaking crashes to $2,000. I mean, $2,000. If the stock market falls 50%, which I think it very well could, The stock market could very well fall to 50%, and with it, every market's going to come crashing down. It's going to be pandemonium. And it's all this black swan coronavirus and civil unrest. There's a lot of civil unrest going on. Ethereum still below 200 and $198. Veteran investor says Bitcoin price will surge to $467,000 is achievable. Veteran trader Raoul Paul says the price of Bitcoin can easily rise to as high as $476,000 in the long term. I just watched a video. I'm not going to look it up right now. I'll post it in the Facebook group. But this guy's phenomenal. Long-term macro investor, talks a lot about what's going on in China. Because again, you're blinded by your environment if you're not looking beyond it. So if you're not paying attention to what's going on all around the world, you're going to get, it's easy to get caught with your pants down because everything is interlinked. So if China crashes, it's going to affect America. If America, engages in a trade war, I mean, there's a lot of things going on. Raoul Paul, the CEO and founder of Real Vision, that's the name of the the YouTube. Go check them out. Fantastic channel. Believes the price of Bitcoin can reach $476,000 in the long term. Paul is not alone in this belief, as hedge fund managers like Morgan Creek Digital's Mark Yusko have also made similar predictions in the past. Currently, the price of Bitcoin hovers around $9,700, and high-profile investors like Max Kaiser and Mark Yusko believe Bitcoin can rise to $500,000 in the long term under two simple scenarios. One requires Bitcoin to overtake the gold market, and the other stipulates that Bitcoin operates in a strong ecosystem. If it becomes an ecosystem, and we believe it will be, and it will take the whole ecosystem with it as well, then yes, I think a $10 trillion number is easily achievable within that process. So look at this. All money, 86.5 trillion. The stock markets have 67.5 trillion. Bill Gates, Kill Gates, 90 billion. Bitcoin, 112 billion. Jeff Bezos, 112 billion. All crypto, 202. Why will Bitcoin compete against gold? A growing number of investors, institutions, and hedge fund managers are actively exploring alternatives to traditional assets to store wealth, and the U.S. Federal Reserve aggressive fiscal policy continues to raise concerns about the future performance of the U.S. stock market. So again, it's a hedge against inflation. It's a hedge against monetary policy. It's a hedge against a crashing economic system. And the thing is freaking crashing like crazy. If you don't see that it's crashing, it is crashing for sure. If you are watching this and you believe it's crashing, type in crash in the comments. This thing is crashing. XRP below 20 cents. Still bouncing off that 50-day trend line though. I really would love to get a lot of that. Oh, let's look at this though. Top 10 cryptocurrency investment tips for newbies. So if you're new out there, here's some tips for you. 1, do your own research. I do research every day of my life. I've been doing it for going on three years. It's over 3 years actually. Do your own research. I'm just a weird guy on the internet with nothing better to do. And I just want to share this, and I want to help people because, again, in a deflationary market like this, the more people we can get investing into crypto, the higher the price goes, the more valuable it becomes. The stronger the ecosystem becomes, the more valuable it becomes. Fundamental analysis. I'm a fundamental investor. I'm a long-term investor. My vision is 5 years plus. Okay, I'll be a billionaire in 5 years. I'm going to have a yacht in 5 years. Watch, I'll be doing this show in 5 years on my yacht. Ariel, got a picture of her right over there. Keep your crypto safe. I just had one of the members reach out to me yesterday after the show. Don't keep your coins on Coinbase or Robinhood. If you're keeping them long-term and you don't want to make any of that passive income, you want to store them on a wallet like Exodus. Again, I'm going to post those videos about setting all that up today. Keep your crypto safe. Number 4, be prepared for the market cycles. Boy, oh boy, that's the key one. The crypto market is driven by human emotions or sentiment and by so-called market cycles. There are periods of anger, disbelief, and depression in a bear market when the prices are down, and periods of euphoria, thrill, and belief in the bull market when the prices are up. These periods of bear, and bull market trends repeat. This is in all markets. Let's actually do the weekly. Okay. I bought my crypto. I bought my first Bitcoin. Okay. Back about here. A little bit. Yeah. June 20th, let's call it. Okay. So I remember, my portfolio went up $1 million in the month of December of 2017. So I made $1 million, or my portfolio increased $1 million in the month of December 2017. Okay. I also wrote this out. I actually started an investment club. It was like a hedge fund, but for private members back in right here, right? March 1st. Okay. Right here, March 1st, right when it's about to tank, we start this thing. I've wrote this whole thing out. And then right here, I should have this freaking as red. January. It was right around whatever this area. Just depression, just wanting to jump out of a window, No, not the 19th, 19th of December 20th, right here. So I've been through this whole thing, guys. These are very real, very apparent. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a long-term investment. You have to see the vision. And that's my goal with everything on my website, my book, is I'm constantly trying to instill this vision into you. This is the future of the internet. This is the future of money. And this is our opportunity for freedom. Okay, this is civil disobedience. This is taking your power back. Stop using their banks. Stop using their money. Start disobeying them. Start resisting. There is already a new system that's created and evolving and unfolding over here. Stop even focusing on this. Stop, let it burn and die off. It's so vile and manipulated and just disgusting. And then there's something over here. I'm going to freaking ramble all day today, though. Okay, choose your coins wisely. Go become a member of GCN. I've got a list of 20 coins I've been researching for the last 3 years. We invest in all of we probably spend $10,000 or more investing in paid membership groups every year. So people like Raul Paul and Tika Tawari from Palm Beach Confidential. We get access to all that. Pass it all down to you. Okay, high risk, high reward. High risk. There's high risk in everything. The ultimate downside is zero. You could put $1,000 in the stock market and lose all your money. You could put $1,000 in the real estate market and lose all your money. You could die tomorrow. It's high risk. Okay, life is high risk, but the high reward. Chances of you even doubling your money. The chances of you even doubling your money in the stock market in the next year or two, I believe, is very slim. In fact, I think you'll lose. It's a downtrend. This is a bear market now. Whereas crypto, you would have already doubled your money in the last couple months. Since March 12th, you would have doubled your money. had you bought in at the lows. So high risk, high reward. Okay, diversify your portfolio. Again, check out my video, check out my website. That's what I do, is I help people build individual specialized portfolios. You keep it on your own phone. You can keep it in a safe. It's safer than your 401k. It's more liquid than your 401k. It's safer than keeping your money in the bank. So much better. Okay, choose your strategy. Long-term, holding or trading. I'm not a trader. I don't have the patience. Be patient. It's a long-term game. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Okay? Don't panic sell. Don't panic buy. Okay? I got one of my good friends. He's real eager to get in. Real eager. And I just keep saying, be patient, man. This is a game of patience. Don't buy don't buy at the top of the trend. See, now it's bouncing. If we come back down and bounce again, triple top, I mean, chances are real good it's going to come back down. With a double top, if tomorrow it closes low, chances are it's going to correct. It's going to come down. Who knows where? Might find support. Maybe off these trend lines. I don't know. Okay. Lord, I was born a rambling man. Okay, Dow Jones trying to make a recovery. We started lower, sitting at 23.5. Man, look at this though. Retail sales plunge to a record 16.4% in April, far worse than predicted. Retail sales fell 16.4%. Predicted was 12.3. Damage was felt across the board, with clothing stores faring worse and grocers showing the only gains. Restaurants lagged badly, as did service stations. Consumer spending tumbled. It's going to be a while in California until you can go to a mall. That's going to be devastating to the state of California. Devastating. Oil really working hard. Been a nice upward trend. Broke out of this trend line, sitting at 29 bucks. Gold though, gold's looking real nice today. Real nice. In fact, breaking above, making new highs. 1749. Nice. Four consecutive days in the green. And silver looking real fine. Up a dollar. Up nearly $1 from yesterday's open. Wow, it's dang near $1. Nice move on silver, guys. In other news, Mike Maloney, go get his free book. Watch his videos here. I guess I had it right. What up, Rainey? How you doing, girl? How you doing? Okay, watch this stuff. Good stuff. Change your life. You're never, there's a great saying out there. If you can't manage $1,000, you're never going to manage 10,000, and you certainly ain't going to manage 1,000,000. Okay, show me how you do one thing. I'll show you how you do everything. The average American today, over 75% of Americans don't have $1,000 in cash in case of an emergency. Most people have a negative net worth. So if you can't manage $1,000, you're never going to manage 1,000,000. And so you have to learn how the game works. You have to understand how the fundamentals of the game works if you're ever going to play the game at any sort of level. Or you're just going to keep staying in that rat race with your head down, doing what you're told, listening to subordinates. That sounds like a crappy life. I would rather just eat a handful of pills, because that's how I would want to go. That's how I'm going out. Handful of pills. Already talked to my dad about it. Okay, nationwide lockdown. They're just getting locked down. Put money in hands of consumers, not businesses. I agree with that. I would agree with that. All right. As unemployment continues to rise, the U.S. could face another crisis. Homelessness across the country could increase by 45%. I haven't been to San Francisco since November of 2017. I love the city of Chicago. I love the Bay Area, but my goodness, they got themselves a homeless problem. Pedestrians walk to the edge of the sidewalk to avoid stepping on people in tents and sleeping bags in the Tenderloin area of San Francisco. Homelessness in the U.S. could go up by 45% as a result of unemployment due to the coronavirus pandemic, according to a new study from an economics professor at Columbia University. More than 800,000 people could be homeless by this summer. The unemployment rate in the U.S. reached 14.7%, which hasn't been seen since the Great Depression. The writing's on the wall, my friends. The writing is on the wall. Also, if you haven't yet, go join this Discord group. Here's another community that we've created here at Galactic. A lot of free tutorial videos teaching you how to set things up, teaching you how to invest, all this stuff. It's really awesome. What the heck am I doing? Where am I at? Come on, Rook. See right here, you got welcome, testimonials, general chat forum. Okay, how to set up a crypto password, a crypto Gmail account. Again, your Coinbase, Binance, all of these different accounts, how to set it all up, plus all the top crypto YouTube channels, all of the ones I've been watching and researching since 2017. Every day, all of them linked in the Discord. You don't even have to go to YouTube and search everything. As soon as they drop the video, boom, you get an alert. You can go watch it, stay on top, or don't, whatever. Okay? How many really works? That's so again, yeah, just go watch this. Become a member of the Discord. Look, I already put all of Mike's videos in there. Go get it. Credit repair, how to fix your credit, how to pay your taxes, how to set up entities like a trust and an LLC so you can minimize your tax liability. Then when you're a paid member, you get access to the 1000X Club, 1000X Blueprint, all of those paid membership signals, and just tons of stuff. Go join it. It's free. It's free. Don't you want to get rich? Don't you want to get rich? Gosh. If you don't want to get rich, don't watch this show. But share it before you stop watching it, because maybe some of your friends want to get rich. That's it for today, guys. That's it for today. It's Friday. I'm going to go put on some short shorts, and I'm going to go walk on the river by my house, okay? I'm looking super daddy today, like a dad. I mean, I got this polo shirt on. My hair looks like my dad's from back in the freaking 90s. I got this long hair, don't care. I'm just having it. Life is good, guys. Life is good. Life is real crazy out there. It's real crazy. But if you're prepared, then the craziness doesn't really affect you. Okay, I've been preparing for this for 14 years. Okay, since 2006, I've been obsessively studying this and watching these markets. I've been watching and learning and studying how international economics works, how the whole game works. And now I'm going to give you the cheat code, because you don't have to do all that study. You just got to piggyback off of me and the team at GCN. We're always going to be here for you guys. Got some real excited stuff coming. I hope you have a phenomenal weekend. Give your kids a kiss. Tell your mom you love her, okay? Because like the George Strait, I think it's George Strait. If tomorrow never comes, will she know how much I love her? Okay? Have a great weekend, guys. Peace out.